Hello friends, I am Moti. Today we are going to learn all about colors. Colors are so much fun. Are you ready? Let's go. Red, blue, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black. So many beautiful colors. This is red. Red is the color of like apples and fire trucks. Can you say red? Say it with me. Red. Yay, red. You are so smart. Great job. This is blue. Blue is the color of like the sky and the ocean. Can you say blue? Say it with me. Blue. Yay, blue. You are so smart. Great job. This is green. Green is the color of like grass and leaves. Can you say green? Say it with me. Green. Yay, green. You are so smart. Great job. This is orange. Orange is the color of like oranges and pumpkins. Can you say orange? Say it with me. Orange. Yay, orange. You are so smart. Great job. This is pink. Pink is the color of like flowers and flamingos. Can you say pink? Say it with me. Pink. Yay, pink. You are so smart. Great job. This is purple. Purple is the color of like grapes and lavender. Can you say purple? Say it with me. Purple. Yay, purple. You are so smart. Great job. This is brown. Brown is the color of like chocolate and bears. Can you say brown? Say it with me. Brown. Yay, brown. You are so smart. Great job. This is black. Black is the color of like the night sky and penguins. Can you say black? Say it with me. Black. Yay, black. You are so smart. Great job. Wonderful. Let's review all the colors. Red, blue, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black. Amazing. You know all the colors. You are a superstar. You did amazing today. You learned all the colors. If you had fun, ask your grown-up to tap the like button. Subscribe for more fun lessons with Moti. See you next time. Bye friends.